Nasdaq100 and Dow Jones both try to retrace a little. Again, 35050, 15100 levels proven out to be a good resistance level. As we discussed in our analysis, the Asia session analysis which we have uploaded a few hours back. I hope you all profited there. Now, what to expect today with the US session for Tech 100 and Dow Jones? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Couple of observations here. Remember, we have housing estates and we have the industrial production data coming in today first before the US session. Definitely it will bring volatility, and later in the day we are going to have the FOMC minutes. The traders watch out for the minutes in order to get the direction, future direction of Fed. Specifically, any talks about the rate cuts and any future projections there will definitely bring the cheer to the market. So which position we should take now in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like and comment. That's a great motivation and inspiration for me to deliver on time every time. And at the same time, your every share and subscribe is a great support. The interest in my work is shown or displayed just by the like buttons you press, and hence it gives and inspires me more. So please press the like button. With that, let's start. First, we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. You can also be a member of my free Telegram channel in order to get the live market updates, and press the bell icon in order to get the notification. With that, let's start. Now, look at the hourly charts here. See, first of all, we can see Tech 100 is still respecting this channel. You can see none of the candles are trying to close below this channel. This is very important, and we have already known that there is a support at 49.70, which is a very good support. Now see what is it is trying to do on the hourly charts. Lower highs, lower lows. Lower lows suggest that 49.70 can again be a target, and it is going to be a great support here. At the same time, now look at this. See consolidation. It has breached the morning lows here. So any rise above 15,060 you can buy again, but then 15,100 is something we should look out for. See, till 15,140, 150 zone, you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss. And once it breaks out beyond 15,140, 160 zone, you can expect that we are looking forward to a reversal for 15,200 and 15,250 levels. Any rise beyond 250, sky is the limit. We are looking forward to 300 and 400 zone. Now, right now, what it is trying to do, it is trying to trade bearish here, but the prices are not willing to stay lower here. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is already at bottom, trying to trade with little bullishness. RSI almost flat. Coming to 2-hour chart, similarly on the 2-hour chart, see this candle tried to breach the channel. This is very important. This candle tried to breach the channel. Hence, once you see trading below 15,000, you can sell here again. Expect 49.70, 49.50 zone as the first support. Then we are looking at 49.20, 880 as the next support zone. And below that, we are looking forward to 14,800 as the next target. Remember, 14,800 is the very strongest support. And then 14,600 is the ultimate support for Tech 100 in the near future. Right now, it is trying to reverse a bit. We can initiate a buy and trade 15,060, but then expect resistance is very important. Resistance at 15,100, then 15,140, 160 zone. Stochastic trying to look downwards. MACD is still bearish, and this is the if this wave culminates here, possibly this is the beginning of the bullishness. We should take it as RSI almost flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, yes, on the 3-hour charts it has tried to breach the channel. Let's see if it continues to resume its upward journey here. Definitely 15,100 is a greater resistance, and then 150, 160 zone. Stochastic rising. MACD is bearish. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now see on the 4-hour charts, couple of observations on the previous two candles. See, previous candle was a red candle. It has shown a pullback, very strong pullback from higher levels. Now see, this candle has tried to drop. You can see lower lows are done. Now possible recovery. So lower highs, which suggest 15,100 is again going to be a great resistance. Any move above 15,100 should be taken up seriously for 15,140, 160 and then 200 levels. Yes, we have seen good enough consolidation here. It can possibly recover from here. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. MACD is still bearish. RSI is flat. And coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, double bottom is done here. Remember, double bottom is done. With that, it is trying to retrace. This can be a complete engulfing. Yes, this can be a complete engulfing, specifically once it stays beyond 14,140, 15,140, 160 zone, we can expect it to rise more till towards 15,250, 300 levels. Possibility exists for this. Yes, it can bring more volatility. Remember, on the downside, see, it has hit the bottom of the channel. Now it can resume the upward journey also. We have to be watchful. Yes, it has to just break past this channel. which is, it has to stay above 15300 levels in order to confirm a reversal here. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is almost flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 15060. Be careful, be watchful here till 15100 first resistance and then 15140 160 zone at the next. Beyond that, we may look at 15200 and then 260. Any move about 300 is where the bulls will try to take over, and we are going to look forward to a complete reversal beyond 15260 levels, beyond which Tech 100 is going to stay bullish for 15400 and plus levels in the forthcoming session this week itself, and hence this is very important for you to watch out today how it behaves. On the downside, yes, you can sell here at 15,000, but remember 49.70, 950 is the first support levels, very strong support. Below that is where, below 49.50 is where the bears will try to take over for the sell-off. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now look, US30 on the hourly charts, clearly it is trying to form a bottom, multiple candles getting rejected here at 34,900 levels. With that as support, it is trying to rise. Also, one of the more important observation here is the lower highs which it is trying to show. Hence, any point of time we see it trading above 35,100 and 35,180 levels, 200 levels, you can say that it is trying to reverse. That is the only point beyond which we should treat this for a reversal. Right now, what you can do, you can buy here at 34,980 levels, but then again expect it to get the resistance at 35,050, very strong resistance. Then till 35,100, very strong resistance exists here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trying to trade with a recovery, little bullishness is seen here. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, so possibly we could see a swing. It can again try to breach past 35,020 levels, but then 35,050 is what you should wait and watch out for. See, it is trying to recover here, higher lows are seen, so possibly it could try to give a breakout above 35,100. Be watchful. Any drop below 34,900, stay short for 34,800 levels. Stochastic has retest, trying to look downwards. The MACD was trading with a fat belly. It is willing to converge crossover. Hence, this candle could remain green. RSI trying to look upwards. And on the 3-hour charts, we can again see the similar observation. It could yield higher highs here. Means taking it till towards 35,080, 35,100. Possibilities there. Very strong possibilities there. Stochastic rising. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. See, fat belly. It is willing to converge here. And RSI is flat. Coming to 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows or higher highs, possibly we are looking at again this zone till towards 35,100 levels. Now see, moving averages are also trying to trade with little divergence, so possibly it could try to converge till towards these levels and let the moving averages to come down. So we have to watch out here. A sell entry below 34,900, yes, it has to be taken. We below 34,900, we are looking forward to a sharp drop. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD trading with the fat belly, possibly it could converge. RSI almost flat. And on the daily chart, now look on the daily chart, see it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. Double bottom is done, trying to recover. Certainly 35,100 and 200 are two very strong resistance levels. It needs to pass by, and it can yield a complete recovery if it stays above 35,400. Remember, the FOMC minutes can definitely bring volatility into the markets. Any reversal is confirmed if it draws below 34,900. Just stay short. First, we are looking at 34,800 and then 34,600. 34,600 is a great support for US30 here. Stochastic dropping, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is also dropped a bit. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 35,000 levels. Expect 35,040, 35,060 as the first target, 35,100 at the next, and then 35,180, 200 levels will be seen here. 35,200 is the ultimate resistance. It needs to pass by. Anything beyond 35,400 is a bonus, and this is a reversal. Remember, if and only if you see US30 trading beyond 35,400, then you should treat this as a reversal. Else, potentially it could reverse or go for sell again. Remember, any drop below 34,900, stay short. We are going to again look forward to another 200-300 points where one can expect 34,800 to 34,600 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Remember, there will be volatility. You have to exercise restraint while taking the position in the volatile times, and hence you have to always put a trailing stop loss. Trade accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Yes, Potential recovery till towards 35,200 levels cannot be denied, but then you have to still be watchful on the upside till 35,400 levels. Still, you can say that it can continue with the downward move. So take your positions accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day. Press the bell icon. I will see you tomorrow again with the Asia and Europe session update. Do watch that also. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.